Here I have WIKO Y60, and today I'm going to show you how to update apps on this device. So to update your apps, you just have to open the Play Store, then tap here, go to the My Apps and Games, and here you can see the whole list of the apps which are not up to date. Here you can update them one by one by tapping this update button next to them, or you can just tap update all, but it could take some time, to download the updates for all the apps. It's for you to decide how to update your apps. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.